Welcome everyone to the Google Cloud Facilitator program. Thanks for showing your interest in this program. The registration for the program will start on 25th April at 5 pm. So let me tell you the steps you need to do for registering in this program. So once the registration will open, you will get a link here to apply and fill the Google form for this program. So once the registration will open, you will get a form here in the official website of Google Cloud Facilitator program. We need to fill this form to get registered in this program. So the form will look like this. This is not an official form. This is not an official form. We'll get the official form in the website. So this is the main point. So in the select your institution option, you need to select Asansol Engineering College as your college name, because this program is been hosted by our college, which is Asansol Engineering College. So you need to choose Asansol Engineering College to enroll in this program and to get support throughout the program from our Google Facilitator team. So make sure to select Asansol Engineering College, and you don't need to select your college name, whether you are from any college from all over the India. You need to select this college name to get support throughout the program, so that we can get your details and we'll give you the support. And this is the another main step to get registered in this program. So you need to create your Google Cloud Skill Boost account to get registered in the program. So if you haven't created your account yet, or if you have old account, if you have participated in this program earlier, so make sure to create a new fresh profile before participating in this program on 25th April. So make sure to go to this option, click on join, enter your mail, enter your name, email. I will enter my email. Enter your password. Now I will click on create account. So make sure to click your create your account first, and once you create your account, you can sign in. So I will first verify my account. So you need to go to your email and you need to verify your account creation. You can find the verification mail in the spam folder, so and verify your email. So once you verify your email here, so make sure to click on report not phishing, then you will get the access to click on confirm email. So now click on confirm email. So once you confirm your email, now you can sign in with your email account. So now you can sign in with your email account, and here this is your Google Cloud Skill Boost account. Now the important step is you need to create a public profile. So make sure to click on your profile, click on make badge profile public. So once you click on make public profile, then you will get a public profile link here. So you need to copy this public profile link. So now since your profile is public, so now you can copy this public profile link and you need to paste this public profile link here. So make sure to first create your account, click on make public profile, and then you will get a link here which you can copy and paste it in the profile URL form. This is the most important part. So make sure to perform these two important steps during the registration at 5 pm on 25th April. So make sure to be active at 5 pm on 25th April, and make sure to choose college name as Asansol Engineering College, so that we can get your details and we'll give you the support throughout the program. So now let me tell you about this program. What is Google Facilitator program? What are the labs you need to complete to win prizes. So first of all, uh, let me go to the registration page. So this is the registration page for this program, and here you can register yourself at 5 p.m. on 25th April for this program. So now let me tell you about like what is Google Cloud Facilitator program. So in this program we need to complete different tracks. There are 4 tracks in the program. First track is cloud infrastructure track, second one is cloud native application development track, then another one is big data and machine learning track, and the fourth one is security and machine learning AI. So there are different tracks here, and in different tracks there are different quests, right? So for performing this quest, for performing this quest you need to click on the quest link here. So in track 1 there are 10 number of quests and 10 number of skill badges, and in track 2 there are 10 number of quests and there are 4 number of skill badges. So there are in different tracks there are 10 number of there are 10 number of quests and 4 number of skill badges. So what you need to do is, like, if you complete track 1, so this program is a 2-month long program, you will get a 2 month of time to complete this program. So if you complete the first track throughout the program, then you will get a t-shirt and stickers and pen from Google Cloud. If you complete all first and second track both, then you will get t-shirt, sticker, pen and a backpack. And if you complete all these 3 tracks, then you will get all these goodies here mentioned here. And if you complete the 4th track also, then there is an extra benefit that you will get a seat in Google Cloud Readiness program. So to complete track 2, so this is your swag kit that these you will be getting. And for milestone 3, these are your swag kit. This is your swag kit for milestone 3. And for milestone 4, along with this swag kit you will get access to Google Cloud Career Readiness program. So make sure to, like, you will getting 2 months, you will get 2 months to complete this whole program. So make sure to complete it in 2 months. So now let me show you how you can, like, once you can register in this program, so you will get a subscription. Like right now, if I sign in with my account, so see, like, now I have 0 credits. So if I have 0 credits, I can't complete any lab here, right? So for completing any lab you need a subscription. So once you register in this program on 25th April, after registration you need to, like, after registration you will get a subscription here. Like, you need to complete a lab here. So once you complete this first lab, you will get your subscription of 2 months. So after getting the subscription of 2 months, you can complete this program during the 2 month long program. So you can complete this program throughout the 2 months, right? So now here there are different tracks in there are 4 tracks. In the first track there are different quests and skill badges. So the first quest is Google Cloud Essential. So for completing this quest you need to enroll in this quest. And now if you need to click on start lab. Now this is your documentation. For each lab there are documentation available which you can follow and complete your labs throughout the program. So this is the documentation you can follow for completing your labs. Now for starting any lab you need to click on open Google Console. Now click on next and copy your user password. You will be getting a user password and email for each lab. So here in the first quest there are different labs, right? These are the different labs you need to complete. So after completing these labs you'll be getting a skill badge. So you'll be getting a skill badge here, completion badge. So make sure to, like, once you complete a quest, like if you complete this whole Google Cloud essential quest, first one, then you will get a skill badge like this. So these are the quests. So you need to complete all these 10 quests and 10 skill badges to be eligible for track 1 prizes. And now in the lab, so in the first track there are different labs, so you need to complete all those. Now I will copy the password for this lab. Now this is your Google Cloud platform where you need to perform your different labs, right? So this is your documentation which you need to follow. All the steps which you need to follow for performing your lab are mentioned here. So you just need to complete those steps. Once you complete your all steps here by following the documentation, you can end your lab after completion and you will get a successful badge, right? So I will click on end lab. Once you complete this lab by reading the documentation, you can click on end lab, and once you complete this lab, go to OK. These are the labs you need to complete, and for each lab we'll be getting a documentation, which documentation you can follow to complete that lab. But if you are a beginner, like you don't know how to follow these steps, so the like what you can do is you need to click on the lab. You need to click on the lab title, like if it is a tour of Google Cloud hands-on lab or a compute engine lab. Just what you need to do is you need to copy this lab name, go to YouTube, just search this lab. So if I search this lab, I'll get a lot of tutorials or videos where you can learn and you can follow the steps. Since you are a beginner, you don't know how to follow this documentation, so what you can do is you can just search this lab name on YouTube, and you will get a lot of videos. So you can open any video and follow this, follow all the steps mentioned here.
I'll consider it.
Just complete those steps, and once your lab will complete, then you can end the lab. So make sure, like if you are a beginner, follow videos on YouTube for different labs. So what you can do is for different labs, like in the this is the first quest. So in each quest there are different labs. So you need to search the lab name in YouTube, and you will get a tutorial where you can learn how to follow the steps and complete those labs. So yeah. So yeah, like this is the first track. So make sure to like complete at least one track, and there are 4 tracks in the program, and you'll be getting a 2 month of time to complete all those 4 tracks. So make sure to give 1 hour daily to this program and complete it within 25 June. So program will start on 25th April and will end on 25th June. And also, if you have any questions regarding the program, and throughout the program if you find any help, if you need any help throughout the program, you can ping us on our community groups, and our facilitator team will help you throughout the program. All right, so that's it about this program. So make sure to be active on 25th April at 5 p.m. because in this program we have limited seats, right? So the loss of limited seats, it may get filled between 1 or 2 hours. So make sure to register at 5 p.m. or before 7 p.m. So make sure to like register at this time, because if you can't register at that time, you won't be able to participate in the program. And you need to participate from this official website. Don't fill any unofficial form circulating in the internet. You need to fill this official form from the website of Google Cloud Facilitator program. So yeah, all the best, and yeah, we'll sharing all the updates in the group.